Hey team, the purpose of this video is to introduce you to the idea of adding groups to Google Chrome. Right here on the screen, you can see on the left where it says Lesson 1, and then I have 3 tabs that are specific to the lesson that I'm going to teach. I have Google Classroom. In addition to Google Classroom, I have a video that's ready to go, and then I also have the document that I'm going to use with the students. I'm going to teach them how to use that resource. Then right here in red, it says Math Lesson, and I have a resource that's pulled up and ready to go. And then I have this adjacent tab right here where I'm using PhET simulations to talk to the students about area. I'm now going to model how I did this, and I'm going to bring in one additional tab. Over here, I'm going to click the plus symbol, and then I'm going to right click on top of this tab. And when I do that, I have a toolbar that comes up, and I'm going to add a group. I'm going to choose New Group. And then I'm just going to use ELA for English Language Arts. And then I can choose whatever color. Blue is fine. It's different from the previous ones. And I'm going to press enter in order to impact or affect that change. And you'll notice how there's sort of this blue perimeter around this new tab. I already have a resource on my other screen. I'm just going to bring it in. And then I'm going to tuck it up into this space and it's going to magically pop into there. And because I brought it into that location, it nested into that blue region. I don't need this new tab anymore. I can get rid of it if I choose to. Tabs are movable if you didn't know that. So as you're organizing your lesson, if you accidentally put something that's math related into your digital citizenship tab and you want to scoot it back over, you'll notice how the magenta border around that tab changes. And now I have that charcoal border around it. Now it's back to the math area. So if your tabs are open in an order that's not effective for you, you can easily drag and drop them as needed. Now, if you accidentally misspell a group, you can right click on that region and then come in and make some adjustments. You can ungroup these resources if that's effective and important to you, or you can indicate that it's a specific lesson. If you have more than one ELA lesson in one specific day, you can indicate if this is ELA lesson 2, for example. I'm going to press enter on the keyboard in order to impact that change. And over here, it doesn't say digital citizenship, so I'm going to right click and then I can just do DC for digital citizenship, or I can spell the whole thing out. If I were to spell the whole thing out, it would take up a lot of space in that specific spot. Now, all my resources are ready to go for my lessons for this afternoon. Thanks for watching today's video. Have a great day.